Hey everyone, this is Craig Shallhammer from Orapub. Got a really cool webinar coming up for you guys. The focus is on how to take Ash even further to the next level. You know, the good news is using an AWR report or a stats pack report or the underlying data is a great way to do an Oracle time-based analysis. The bad news is sometimes we need another level of detail. We need session level detail. And that's where Ash comes in. So the focus on this webinar is I'm going to show you two ways to kind of extend Ash, use it in some very unusual, creative ways, which I think are super powerful. So we're going to focus on two areas. The first is I'm going to show you how to tell when a SQL plan changes, like to the second, and we'll have all the surrounding details that Ash provides. So that's pretty cool. The second, which is like really amazing, is I'm going to show you how to tell when there are parsing issues, even before the time model reveals that to us. Yeah, and we're going to have all the related session level details around that. And you know, sometimes there's issues and problems with the time model. That does not bother Ash at all. So if you're on AIX or you got a lot of virtual CPUs, that kind of thing, then Ash is not bothered by that at all, and we can still detect the parsing issues. So it should be a really cool webinar. I did this presentation at the Utah Oracle User Group last week, and I'm going to expand it and do it next month at the IOUG Collaborate Conference. And I think this is like such good stuff. I'm going to expand it even further when I get back, and then I'm going to turn that into a video seminar for you guys. I mean, I think it's that powerful. So I hope you can join me with what should be a pretty cool webinar as we take Ash even further. We'll see you then.